In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on translated captions in Google Meet and save the translated transcript. By the end, you'll be able to follow a meeting in another language and keep a clean text record of what was said without recording video. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. This is the easiest way to jump straight into the correct Google Meet link for a scheduled event. Find the meeting you want to join on your calendar and open its details. Using the calendar ensures you're joining the exact session where you want captions and translation enabled. Click Join with Google Meet to open the meeting preview. Take a moment here to check your camera and microphone and make sure you're in a quiet place if you plan to rely on transcription. When everything looks good, click Join Now to enter the meeting. Once you're in the call, look to your browser's toolbar and click the blue dot extension. If you don't see it, it may be tucked behind the extension's icon. Pinning it makes it quicker to access during meetings. The extension will handle live translated captions and generate a text transcript in the background. Inside the extension, open Settings. This is where you'll confirm your preferences for translation. Choose the language you want your captions translated into and review any caption display options the extension provides. Setting this up before you start ensures the transcript is captured in the language you need. Next, select recording type. Here, pick transcription only. This mode focuses on capturing the spoken content as text, rather than recording video or audio, which is lighter on your system and faster to save and share afterward. It also helps you keep the emphasis on the translated text. To start capturing, press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard. You should see a visual indicator from the extension that the transcription has begun. At this point, translated captions will appear, and the extension will build a transcript as people speak. For privacy and compliance, always let participants know that transcription is running. When the meeting wraps up, or when you have what you need, click Finish in the extension. This stops the session and saves your translated transcript. Depending on your extension settings, it may download to your default folder or appear in the extension's dashboard for you to export. Open the file to review, tidy up speaker labels if needed, and share it with your team. That's it. Join from Google Calendar, open the extension, set translation, choose transcription only, start with the shortcut, and finish to save your translated transcript. Speak clearly, avoid crosstalk, and you'll get a crisp, accurate result.